Welcome to the program of Data Entry Operator. Introduction to the program. Let's talk about the three sessions of this module. The first is objectives of the program. Second is about ITES industry. And the third is role of data entry operator. Let us now discuss about the objectives of the program. In this session, we will be discussing about the overview of the program, the required skills, and the ground rules of the program. Introduction activity. This program will facilitate an overview of IT industry, role and responsibilities of a data entry operator, IT industry specific key concepts, behavioral, professional, technical and language skills required for performing your job effectively, techniques of undertaking data entry services, method to manage your work to meet requirements, ways to maintain a healthy, safe and secure working environment. Let us talk about the skills that this program will train you in. Number 1, communication skills. Number 2, language skills. Number 3, technical skills, decision making, problem solving and critical thinking skills. Number 5, planning and organizing. Number 6, customer centricity. Number 7, attention to details. Number 8, team working. The ground rules which should be kept in mind are: arrive and start on time. All participants are expected to participate in all phases of the workshop. Mobile phones of the participants should be switched off or in silent mode. Participants must adhere to the timelines. If the break given to the participants is of 15 minutes, then everybody has to be in the training room within those 15 minutes. All the doubts should be raised to the facilitator. They should not talk amongst themselves. Listen actively. Respect others when they are talking. Learn and ask questions if you don't understand. Let us now discuss about IT and ITES industry. Information technology is the application of computers and telecommunications to store, retrieve, transmit and manipulate data, often in the context of a business or other enterprise. The ITE and ITES industry includes people in IT companies such as those offering IT services, technology-oriented consultation, technology development, system analysis, programming, systems testing and technology sales. It also includes IT professionals working in other sectors such as people whose primary job role is IT oriented, which includes IT departments and IT support staff in companies. The trend of this sector is the convergence of telecommunications, computing and networking, and the move from hardware-intensive to software-intensive platforms. Embedded voice communications capability is already part of the internet, which also has to manage voice, data, and video and location information. Let us now discuss about Indian IT and ITES industry. The Indian IT and ITES industry is growing steadily despite the global meltdown. The Indian IT industry managed to register a growth of 5.5 in spite of the recession. The industry is about to register the historic landmark of $50 billion exports this year, according to NASSCOM. The domestic market is also slotted to witness 12% growth this year, putting potential size of Indian offshoring industry is estimated at $120 to 180 billion by 2015. The industry currently employs around 1 million people and provides indirect employment to around 2.5 million people. It is expected to add another 150,000 jobs in the next fiscal according to NASSCOM. Let us now discuss about recent trends in IT industry. Number one is mobile devices. By 2030, it is predicted that mobile internet usage will overtake traditional desktop usage. Number two is cloud computing. As the economy recovers and growth resumes, these solutions allow for low-cost, on-demand scalability. Number three is virtualization. As cloud computing and SaaS have revolutionized. Number three is virtualization. As cloud computing and SaaS have revolutionized the way companies access their software applications, recent trends in virtualization are allowing businesses to eliminate entire server farms and slash the associated operating costs. Number four is telework virtual offices. By moving away from traditional physical office-based business models towards remote network structures, more and more businesses are taking advantage of this new technology to increase productivity and reduce overhead. Number five is alternative productivity applications. Influenced by the recent economic downturn, companies are looking for new methods of improving productivity, increasing employee efficiency, and optimizing their overall business processes. Activity. Recent trends in IT industry. Note: mention 5 IT and 5 ITES companies. Let us look at the IT and ITES companies in India. Number one, software. iGate, Mindtree, Mphasis, etc. Number two is IT. HCL Technologies, Infosys, Tally Solutions, etc. Number three is ITES, TCS, Genpact, and Wipro. Let us now talk about the role of data entry operator. Data entry operator enters data into a machine using an alphanumeric keyboard with speed and accuracy. Data entry and information processing workers help ensure the smooth and efficient handling of information. The role of a data entry operator is to enter both text and figures into spreadsheet or database. He may use ready-made software packages or software systems that have been specially designed to meet the organization's particular needs. Data entry work is often combined with customer service assistant and contact center operator roles. Data entry work could be in all kinds of areas, including entering personal details of new customers, entering information for classified advertisements in newspapers, transferring paper-based market research results, updating customer records, and processing sales invoices. The skills which one needs to possess in order to be a data entry operator are good computer skills, fast typing speed, good maths and English skills, excellent customer service skills, an understanding of data confidentiality issues, the ability to work quickly and accurately and pay attention to details. A data entry operator has many responsibilities. Some of them are to provide daily work reports and work on daily hour basis, to keep a check on electronic entry of data from the client side to the office side or vice versa, to ensure that the data recorded on the data collection forms is entered onto the specific database completely and accurately and within the specified time limit. to identify any problems with the database and take appropriate action in discussion with the line manager. To ensure that the data is kept up to date, to maintain adequate records, keeping an up-to-date filing system, to maintain required data of customers through use of various data entry software and technologies, to ensure that appropriate security measures are taken to prevent unauthorized access to data in accordance with the Data Protection Act of the organization. Let us now discuss about personal attributes needed for a data entry operator. A data entry operator should have thorough knowledge of various technology trends and processes, as well as have updated knowledge about database management systems and IT initiatives. A data entry operator should have fast and accurate typing, data encoding. A data entry operator should have good maths and English skills. A data entry operator should be able to work in monotonous environment under pressure. Thank you.